Hello and welcome to another update video about PYTH. A bit of a disappointing chart. It broke below the 78.6 retracement level recently at 31.4 cents. Yeah, the bulls are fighting back, trying to get back above that level. However, the bullish scenario, while still possible, given that we are still above the invalidation point here at around 22 cents, so we're above that, way above it still. So while the bullish count is still possible, it is, I think, a scenario, a structure that has to be put into the category of hopium, given that we have come down too low for a reliable 1-2 structure. Okay, first of all, this chart has a very young history, so we don't really have any long-term trend we can go with, and that would support any short-term bullish expectations. And then obviously, I think a 1-2 setup is reasonable normally, as long as we're holding above the 78.6 retracement. Okay, we do that at the moment, but we had a break below it. The market didn't care about that level. So that just makes me wonder if, you know, there's a good, well, at least there's a good chance of invalidation, right? Invalidation point is at 22 cents. I talked about that from the beginning. We're getting closer to that. And I mean, the hope isn't lost, right? But as I said, it's hopium. It takes minimally, I'd say, a break above resistance here to indicate that we have formed a low of sorts, because this here could even be categorized as a little bit, yeah, something like a bear flag even. Okay, take a look at it. I mean, looks a bit like a bearish flag, or call it a wedge pattern. Which often would, or which tend to break, these tend to break to the downside. And then if we get one more low, there's literally only one support level left, and it's not a reliable one. It's the 88.7 fib retracement, normally too low for a wave 2, but it's not impossible for it to hold. And if we get one more low, also the microstructure allows for one more low. Now, if we get one more low, that doesn't mean we have to have a low, okay? It's all about, okay, when do we see a first promising reaction to a support zone? And I mean, I'm extremely on the side of caution here, because we have not really seen that promising reaction where we should have, and there's always a warning sign. I mean, so far, again, I can't confirm a low. We only had 3 wave rallies. This was a corrective rally in March, April. This was a corrective rally in the middle of April. This was also a corrective 3-wave rally in June, and this also looks corrective at the moment. So I can only warn. Of course, it's possible that something more bullish is playing out, but what would I need to see for that? 1, 2, I need 5 waves. 3, 4, 5. Highlighted in yellow, this would be the bullish scenario in detail. This is what I would need to see. Let me change the wave degree, and I can give you the relevant Fibonacci levels for that as well. So what we know, we have a 1-2 setup, yeah, but that's too small. So it really takes the next wave degree. We know that a third wave, to be a viable third wave, should reach the 1.38 extension, and then the 5th wave should reach the 1.618. So that means I need to see really a break above resistance in 5 waves, 38.5 cents in 5 waves, then we can talk. Until then, one more low, not only one more low, but further downside is very, very likely and shouldn't be surprising. That's the update about PYTH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.